live in the studio right now, courtesy of the MGD Music Lounge. You know I gotta say that. So
of course.
There it is. We got Neyo in the building, people right now at KMEL. How's it going, boo? Oh, wait. I'm over here playing. Go ahead now. You good?
Oh, can you hear me?
I
There we
can
go.
hear you.
How you doing, Mama?
I'm good, man. Been busy. You had a child.
Streamlab.
I had a child.
You had a child?
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations. I got one in the way.
I like how you said clear to it.
Oh, yeah.
You know I was going to ask.
I knew. Come on, man. This ain't our first get around. I know what it is.
So
we gonna go through all the rumors. We're gonna do all that, yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to help me out later, Ray, because I'm sketchy on a couple of them, but you can bring up what I don't get.
Oh,
but
yeah, I got you.
You heard it first right here.
I will say the one thing that I've heard on the internet about myself that was absolutely true. Yes, I do have a kid on the way. Yeah.
Beautiful.
How'd you do the proposal? Because everybody was talking about, oh, he got on one knee and then he did this.
Wait.
Oh,
I don't think he admitted to that.
I'm sorry. My bad. Did I take that statement too far? My bad. Okay.
You went a little far with that. No, that is not true. I said the one thing I've heard on the internet that was true about myself is the kid. No, I'm not engaged. I ain't proposed, no marriage. No. That's not true.
How long has this person been in your life? It's been like years that you've been knowing.
It's been a few years, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Can we say a name? I mean, you claiming 100% right now, and I'm loving what you're doing.
Everybody calls her Mo. Her name is Monietta, but everybody calls her Mo.
From what city?
She's from Louisiana.
Okay. Dirty South girl.
Absolutely.
At you. So do we know if it's a boy or girl?
We went and did the ultrasound, and the lady told us this will be the ultrasound where you'll be able to tell your baby's gender should the baby cooperate.
She didn't cooperate.
We're already calling her a she. I'm calling her a she.
Well, the lady was like, if I had to guess, just by the way the baby's sitting and everything, I would guess girl. I'm praying that's not true.
Why?
I mean, ultimately all I want is healthy baby. 10 fingers, 10 toes.
Period.
Mm-hmm. But I know that girls are difficult, and I would like to have a little bit of experience under the belt before I try tackling raising a little girl into a woman. So let me get a boy first. Let me do the easy thing first.
I think
and then jump into the difficulty.
I have a little girl, and she's beautiful.
Yeah, but you're a woman yourself, so it's like it's like just do how I do. Be like mommy, and she's all good.
You're gonna be all right either way. Names? We're going to get off this baby thing in a minute, but I'm a new mom, so I'm like all focused on it.
I'm not mad at talking about it. No.
Kicking around anything?
Kicking around some easy stuff. Like I like if it's a boy, I want a name that's strong. Like I like Mason. That's something strong. If it's a girl, I like kind of dainty girl names like Madeline or Gabrielle or something like that. You know what I mean? But no moon zapping unit, no weird artistry stuff. Nah, I'm not gonna name the baby Tree or nothing silly like that. It's not gonna happen.
Wow, that wouldn't
be. What are you out here promoting doing?
Well, we got the new album on the way. My 4th studio album. Proud of this. It's entitled Libra Scale. It follows 3 characters: Clyde, Jerome, and Leroy. Jerome being the main character of me, and they are garbage men in the big city. And that thing is to sit around and talk about what it would be like to be the man. Man, if I had money, I'd do this. If I had money, I'd do that. Money, cars, clothes, girls, repeat. You know what I mean? So what happens is a man comes down from the stars. His name is Numinous.
Columbus.
Yeah, Columbus Short plays a character. You remember him at the end of when you pull the glasses down? Yeah. So he basically tells them that this money, power, and fame that you've always wanted, I can make this happen for you on one condition. You have to become superheroes and protect this city that you live in from an evil on the way to this planet with the potential to destroy it, right?
And you cannot fall in love. I saw that point.
Yeah, that's one of the 3 rules that they're now forced to live their lives by. And once they agree to become these superheroes. That's the most important rule. The most important rule, right? So long story short, what winds up happening is Jerome winds up meeting somebody that he winds up falling in love with, and at the end of the story, he's ultimately forced to make a choice, which is the underlying question of this whole Libra scale situation is, if weighed out on a Libra scale, you had to choose between love versus money, power, and fame, which one would prevail in your life? Now, this is the question that I want the listeners to ask themselves as you're listening to the record, as you're watching the videos. It's a question of morality. It's about the life you're living, so there we have it.
So it's basically going to start off where you want money and the fame, but you're eventually going to want to be in love instead.
Well, that's what winds up happening with Jerome, and he's forced to make a choice. Now, I'm not going to tell you what he chooses because I want people to actually watch the damn movie.
Come on, man.
Come on, spoiler alert.
Choose money over a woman?
No.
I see this coming a mile away. So the album is coming out when again?
September 21st. Libra Scale will be in stores. All right, if you're bored with what's going on in music right now and you need something to latch onto, something with a little bit of creativity behind it, trust me, Libra Scale is what you're looking for, and you will not be disappointed. Trust and believe.
There it is.